Taking question number 7 of exercise 11.2 of 3-dimensional geometry. The question is, the Cartesian equation of a line is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to y plus 4 upon 7 is equal to z minus 6 upon 2. Write its vector form. So for this Cartesian form, we have to write its vector form. Now to solve this question, first of all, we can make a point that the Cartesian equation of any line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratios a, b and c can be written as x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. Now, as the given equation is x minus 5 upon 3 is equal to y plus 4 upon 7 is equal to z minus 6 upon 2. So on comparing the given equation, this given equation with the Cartesian, that is the standard Cartesian form of the line. Okay, so we can easily write x1, y1, z1, that is a point through which the line passes, as 5 minus 4, 6. Okay, and ABC, that is the direction ratios to which the given line is parallel, or the direction ratios of the line as 3, 7, 2. Okay, now the vector equation of a line is given by r is equal to a plus lambda b, where the line passes through this point a and it is parallel to this vector b. Okay, so since the line passes through the point 5 minus 4, 6, so we can say that a is equal to 5i minus 4j plus 6k. That is converting this point into its position vectors. Okay, so we can write a as equal to this value, and as the direction ratios of the line are 3, 7 and 2, therefore we can write a parallel vector to the given line as 3i plus 7j plus 2k. If you remember these two things properly, then you can convert Cartesian form into vector form very easily. Okay, so hence, you applying this formula r is equal to a plus lambda b, I can write the vector form of the equation of the line as r is equal to 5i minus 4j plus 6k plus lambda times 3i plus 7j plus 2k. So this is my required answer.
Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.